We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 8 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow. You can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for help in assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. Here you can see project description to get idea about your assignment. Moving to the first step, that is about Start Excel. Download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, basically we have to just start Excel, download and open the file. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So moving to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about ensure the employee satisfaction worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job satisfaction in column D. Place your results in range G5 to G9. In this step, basically we have to calculate the frequency distribution for the job satisfaction that is stored in column D and have placed the results in range G5 to G9 on employee satisfaction worksheet. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here we will ensure that our employee satisfaction worksheet should be active. So on employee satisfaction worksheet, here we have to insert the function in cell G5 to calculate the frequency for the job satisfaction that is stored in column D. We will write a formula for calculating frequency by using the function frequency. We will select the range that is stored in D4 to D53. It's our job satisfaction values. D53. And now select the satisfaction score that is stored in F5 to F9. Press enter. It's our frequency value that we can calculate by using this formula. We have to replace the results from the range G5 to G9. So simply we will copy it by using autofill handle. So we'll copy this range. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column C. Basically in this cell, that is cell G12, we have to calculate the standard deviation for the column C. Go to the Excel worksheet. In cell G12, we have to calculate the standard deviation function for the column C. So we will write formula for this by using standard deviation function. We have to calculate this for column C. So we will select the values that is stored in column C from F4 to C4 to C53. Close the bracket and press enter. Here it will calculate our standard deviation by using this formula for the column C. Step number 3 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about enter a function in cell G13 to calculate the variance between salaries. In this step, we have to calculate the variance between salaries in cell G13. Go to the Excel worksheet. In cell G13, we have to calculate the variance between salaries. So our salaries are stored in column C. We will enter a function of the variance and select the salaries values that are stored in column C from the range C4 to C53. 4 to C53. Press enter. Here it's our variance value that is stored in cell G13 by using this formula. Go to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about enter a function in cell G14 to calculate the covariance of the salaries and job satisfaction in dataset. Note this is a sample of data, not a population. In this step, we have to enter a function in cell G14 for calculating the variance of the salaries and job satisfaction. Go to the Excel worksheet. In cell G14, we have to calculate the covariance. So for calculating the covariance, we will use the function of the covariance function and select the salaries that are stored in column C. We will select the range from C4 to C53, and then select the range for the job satisfaction that is stored in cell D4 to D53. Close the bracket and press enter. It's our covariance value that we calculate by using this formula. Moving, moving to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about enter a function in cell F17 to calculate the correlation coefficient between employee salary and job satisfaction. In this step, basically, we have to calculate the correlation coefficient between our salaries and job satisfaction in cell F17. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here in cell F17, we have to calculate the correlation for our salaries and job satisfaction. So we will write the function for calculating correlation by using correlation function. We will select our salary and job satisfaction. So our salary values are stored in column C from range C4 to C53, 53, and job satisfaction are stored in column D from the range D4 to D53. Close the bracket and press enter. Here it's our correlation value. It's our correlation values that we calculate by using this formula. Step number 6 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about ensure the data analysis tool pack adds in is active. Use the data analysis tool pack to create a histogram based on the salaries in column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as the bin range. Ensure that cumulative percentage, column labels, and chart output are included in the results. Place the results in cell K4. Edit the result text in cell K4 to display salary if necessary. In this step, firstly, we have to ensure that our analysis tool pack add-in should be active. Then use the data analysis tool pack to create a histogram based on the salaries that are stored in column C. We have to use the range I4 to I9 as the bin range and ensure that our cumulative percentage, column labels, and chart output are should be included in the results. We have to place the results in cell K4 and then edit the cell K4 to display salary. First of all, we will go to the Excel worksheet. Here we have to ensure that our data analysis toolpack should be active. Go to the data tab. In analysis group, here our data analysis is active. So we have to use the data analysis toolpack. We will click on it. Now we have to use the data analysis pack to create a histogram based on the salaries in column C. So go to the Excel worksheet. Here we will select the histogram. Click OK. We have to use the salaries that are stored in column C. So we will select these values from C4 to C53 has an input range. We have to select the range I4 to I9 has a bin range. So we will select the range I4 to I9. I4 to I9 has a bin range. Ensure that our cumulative percentage, column labels, and chart output should be included in the result. So we will select our labels, cumulative percentage, and chart output. Place the results in cell K4. Our output range should be cell K4. So we will select the cell K4. Edit the result text in cell K4 to salary. Click OK. It will add the result, add data here. Now we have to edit the cell K4 to display salary. So it is also display salary. Cell K4. Now move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about ensure the office data worksheet is active. Use the data analysis tool pack to perform a single factor ANOVA on the range C3 to E35. Place the results starting in cell G3. Be sure to include column labels. Resize columns G to M as needed. In this step, we have to ensure our office data worksheet is active and then use data analysis tool pack by using the single factor ANOVA. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to ensure that our office data worksheet should be active. So click on it. Now our office data worksheet is active. Go to the data tab. In analysis group, go select the data analysis. Here we have to use the ANOVA single factor. Click OK. By using the single ANOVA factor, we have to select the range C3 to C35, E35. C3 to E35. So we will select the input range from C3 to E35. C3 to E35. Place the results starting in cell G3. So we have set the output range is cell G3. Be sure to include column labels. We have to add the column labels. Resize the columns from G to M. We will click OK. It will add this data. Now we have to resize the column G to M. Select these columns, do right click on it. For auto fit, we will go to the home tab. In cells group, click on format and select the auto fit column. Now it will resize the column from G to M as we needed. Total steps in this assignment is 17. I have done 8 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instructions of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, Finance Management, Information Technology and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.